This is a video for AQA Further Pure Mathematics, Calculus section 2.3, where we're looking at improper integrals, where the function is undefined at one of its limits. You can see here a graph of f of x is equal to 1 over root x. And if we're trying to evaluate the integral from 0 up to 2, then the function itself is not defined at the value of 0, so at the lower limit. Now we can see that the area there is increasing as we go closer to 0 at the bottom end, but we don't know, is that increasing indefinitely or does it converge to some value? And looking at the graph, that's difficult to tell, so we have to use the idea of a limiting process. The technique then is to replace the problem limit, which in this case is the 0, with a value a and integrate from a to 2 1 over root x dx, and then look at the limit as a approaches 0 for that evaluated integral. Well, the 1 over root x integrates to 2 root x, and we can evaluate that then from a to 2, and we want the limit as a approaches 0. So that's equal to the limit as a approaches 0 of 2 multiplied by the square root of 2 minus 2 multiplied by the square root of a. But as a approaches 0, then root a also approaches 0. So in the limit we can say that this is equal to 2 root 2. So the value of this integral converges to a value 2 root 2. The process then for this type of question is to look at this problem limit and replace it by a, and then take the limit of our integral. That's the end of this video on integrals with functions undefined at one of the limits, and there is another video which looks at integrals where the function crosses an undefined point.